Bulawayo Province endorses Mnangagwa's leadership beyond 2028. Bulawayo, the 12th of September 2025. ZANU-PF Bulawayo Province has formally resolved to back President Emmerson Mnangagwa's continued leadership beyond 2028, with all 5 district coordinating committees, DCCs, making it their top resolution ahead of the party's 22nd National People's Conference set for Mutare next month. The resolution was announced by Provincial Chairperson CDE Jabulani Sabanda during a Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, meeting held at the party's Bulawayo offices. CDE Sabanda commended the unity shown by grassroots structures, noting that although the number of resolutions varied across districts, the endorsement of President Mnangagwa stood out as the top priority. Your resolutions were not given numbers, but there's one resolution that is very important to our party. It became number 1 in all our DCCs, that by 2030, the party, the government, and all its institutions must recognize that the president must still be serving as the leader of our country, he said. The provincial chairperson tied the endorsement to ZANU-PF's ideological foundation of unity under a single leader. We worship one God who made us one world. In that one world, he gave us one continent. In that continent, he gave us one country. In that country, we are one nation. In that nation, we have one revolutionary party, ZANU-PF. In that revolutionary party, we have one revolutionary president, CDE Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, CDE Sabanda declared. He further reminded party members of ZANU-PF's history, from the liberation struggle in 1980 to the land reform program of the 2000s, portraying the endorsement as part of a continuous revolution requiring consistent leadership. Party insiders say the resolution reflects a broader push within ZANU-PF structures to prepare the ground for extending President Mnangagwa's tenure beyond constitutional limits, a move that has sparked both support and controversy nationally.